I want to give you a faster way to get to the retrofit kit on this valve body. The Sonnax 41954-03K valve can easily be installed just by taking the back plate off of the valve body. You don't have to disassemble the solenoid body part and the top part of the valve body to get to this Sonnax retrofit kit with the sleeve that has the hole in it for the pin. Then you can easily sand all of these other valves out. Just make sure that you replace these little pins that go in. The flat side goes facing inside on all of them. The same on these. This also is part of the torque converter, so you want to clean this one with 800 to 1000 grit, and this one's fairly straightforward to clean out or to sand out. But again, notice I didn't disconnect any of the solenoids. I have it actually still mounted with the original mounting bolts, the 3 top and the middle one there with the little harness cable connector. Hopefully this saves you a lot of time. Make sure that you install the little piston here, make sure it's not worn, and the 2 little springs. One's here that goes next to the mounting screw. I can show you the spring that goes right there, and the ball bearing next to the one mounting screw, and the other spring and the ball bearing that goes right there. Other than that, you don't have to mess with the ball bearings or the springs on the other side of this worm track. Just totally leave it alone. Leave the solenoids alone, and you can do this nice little retrofit, and hopefully it will work, because I was getting a torque converter error code. This is my last resort before having to actually replace the clutch. It was stuck in, I guess, 3rd or 4th gear once in a while. Okay, have a good day. God bless.